We're exploring invitation. I received an invitation to the birthday party. Did she send out the wedding invitations yet? Thank you for the invitation to dinner tonight. The invitation included a detailed map for directions. He politely declined the invitation due to prior commitments. Her invitation suggested a formal dress code for the event. Receiving an invitation to the conference was a great honor. The ornate invitation card set the tone for the gala evening. Despite the short notice, the invitation was warmly accepted. We're exploring small talk. She made small talk about the weather with her neighbor. Small talk can help break the ice at parties. He engaged in small talk while waiting for the bus. They used small talk to get to know each other better. Small talk often includes topics like sports or movies. In interviews, small talk can create a more relaxed atmosphere. Despite the awkwardness, small talk can ease social anxiety. Small talk at networking events can be strategic for building connections. Mastering small talk is crucial for effective interpersonal communication. We're exploring party. Are you coming to the birthday party this weekend? The office is throwing a party for the new team member. We need to buy snacks and drinks for the party tonight. It was a surprise party, so nobody knew until they arrived. The garden party will start at 3 p.m. this afternoon. They decided to hire a DJ to make the party more lively. Despite the rain, the outdoor party continued with enthusiastic guests. His acceptance speech at the political party's conference was very inspiring. It's crucial to determine the party's theme to coordinate decorations and attire.